What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Good morning, 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 good morning. Listen up, man. It's a beautiful day in paradise. We're about to get into another video for you guys just to make sure that everybody is well informed, well educated, and obviously anticipating what's to come this week. Okay. So you guys already know last week we had a phenomenal breakdown for you guys on XAUUSD, AUDUSD, and BTCUSD. So what we might just continue to do is actually just follow those three and then see what this week looks like, okay? So basically last week, if you guys were not here, by the way, I'm going to drop the link to this previous recording in the chat box, in the description box. So feel free to go ahead and download it, click on it to watch it. But basically, we anticipated that XAUUSD was going to go from the current area where it was, as you can see my cursor on my screen right here, to at least appreciate a little bit. So that's what happens next, right? And obviously, because of the markup that we have on here, we anticipated that obviously this is a previous resistance zone, and this is also a new resistance that was formed with a new demand right here. So basically, right here, it appreciated to this, demand zone. Not demand, this supply zone, which is also called a resistance level, right? So resistance zone, resistance area, right? Supply, whatever you want to call it. We anticipated that. And guess what happened over the week, right? So basically, it did exactly that, right? So basically, it went exactly to the area that we wanted to go, which is why you see this arrow right here. And it started depreciating some more, right? So in other words, what can happen this week? A lot can happen this week, ladies and gentlemen, right? So basically, as we can see right here, right, just look at it from where it is as of right now, okay? So basically, we see that price. So basically, we see that price is at a sensitive area right now. Okay. And this is on the daily time frame that we're looking at it right now, right? And as you can see, like I said, I pulled this up on purpose. This was made 6 days ago. Okay, 6 days ago on a daily time frame, and the area was right here. And we anticipated appreciation before depreciation, give or take, depending on what area of the market that price is. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, so because it already went exactly and cleared the liquidity above this area, and also appreciated up to the supply area, we anticipate the continuation of the bearish movement if this trend is if this correction is still going to continue. And on top of that, just to make sure that all these liquidities can be cleared. So for the week, we can anticipate that price can decide to continue to go bearish, but you can't put all your eggs in one basket, because at the end of the day, there's still some significant areas that price can go ahead and reverse. So now that we saw this, so this right here, this push right here is this. This push right here, okay, is also this. So price can decide to just go from this area this week and make this push right here, starting from this area. You never know. Or price can continue to go bearish like it's already going. You never know. So just be on the lookout for this week, okay? As to the market just doing what it needs to do. But just continue to follow the trend, ladies and gentlemen. Don't ever try to predict the market. Just follow the trend, okay? Awesome. Now, AUDUSD. Same thing as we already saw last week. We had some discussions where we anticipated. So let's actually forward and see what we ended up talking about last week for AUDUSD. And the reason why I know it's a 1 hour time frame is because it had to go something like that to continue going bearish, or it can decide to do something of this nature where it decides to go above, to continue going to start a bullish run. Based. Okay, so that was AUDUSD last week. So let's see what it actually did. So AUDUSD still hasn't made a move yet. Okay, so basically last week, as you can see right here, it had this bearish candle right here on a daily time frame, and that was the only candle available for that for previously before the week started. Now when the week popped out and opened up, which is this candle right here, for all the days throughout the week, the price never broke above. It broke above, but it didn't close above that level of resistance, okay, which is a supply area. So price got to that area, supplied, which as you guys can see right here, this arrow right here, that's what that is. Okay, so price came and supplied and distributed. Okay, now as it has distributed now, a few things can come down. As you can see right here, you already see that we have this area right here. Okay, this area right here just goes to show that if price maintains this area of support, there is no reason why it can't continue its bullish momentum. Okay, as long as it maintains this zone, and this zone right here is on the monthly time frame. Okay, so let's go to the monthly so that you can see what I'm talking about. So this zone, as you can see, is for the monthly time frame. In the previous years, this is I'm talking about early 2000s. You know, and made another zone right here, made another zone right here, made another zone right here. So basically, this area is a strong zone in the market that if price wants to continue going bullish, it has to maintain above the zone. But if price doesn't want to continue going bullish and wants to continue going bearish, which actually is already in position to do because of the fact that, you know, as you can see right here, you know, high, low, lower high, right? But obviously hasn't formed the lower low yet. So right now, all we're just doing is just playing the waiting game, okay? We're playing the waiting game to see what the week looks like, but just be ready, okay? Be on guard, be ready, and just be on standby just to make sure you can follow the market in whatever direction it decides to go, okay? Last but not the least, obviously, we touched on BTCUSD. Now, obviously, as you can see, the BTCUSD is at an all-time high. I'm telling you, this market is just going ridiculous. Matter of fact, I would want to analyze this market, but just so you know, it's very, very much bullish. It's looking at it's continuing to go bullish with no sight of slowing down. Okay, so you know, obviously, I'm not day trading it, but I'm just analyzing it for the people. It still looks good. It still looks very, very much bearish. If you're trying to get into the market, right now is not a good time. So definitely pay attention to see where price is. Obviously, right now, as you can see, is at a supply area right now, right? So as you can see previously on previous days, there's that area of resistance that hasn't been tested yet. So very automatically we can anticipate that price will come to this area and either and consolidate for a little bit before it either decides on what direction it will eventually go, which is you know, bullish or bearish. So will price break above 104,000? Who knows? Or will it continue going bearish? Will it correct for a little bit before it continue going bullish? Stay tuned and see what the weeks has to offer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to do a quick one for you guys today. Thank y'all so much for participating with us. But we're going to continue to do this once a week for you guys every Sunday. Okay, so be on the lookout for the next one. Peace.